funXcreation.
Hi!
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome!
Okay, so today we are gonna make
a beautiful handmade doll showpiece.
Tweezer, you know how beautiful and easy this is?
Oh yeah! I know because it's only made out of paper.
So let's tell our viewers how we are gonna make this.
No, Scissor. Let's just show them how to make this beautiful doll showpiece.
Okay, no problem. Let's show them how we make this.
Let's go!
Yoo-hoo! Okay, so now as you can see, I've taken a brown cardboard and I've taken this cutout as well, which I've drawn just using my hands. It's free-handed drawing. You can also use any kind of cutout or any kind of print or any kind of stickers you want. Now what you have to do is that you have to just highlight these parts. So once this is done on both the sides, now what I'll do is that I'll take my paints and I'll start painting this doll completely black, and these are the acrylic paint which I use. You can also use fabric paint instead. So now let's paint on the other side as well, leaving her dress. So once that is painted, I'll use this beautiful metallic golden acrylic paint and I'll just highlight it on the corners of the doll body. Doing this will make her look more shiny and beautiful. Once that is done, I'll take some white papers over here. These are some card papers over here. Now what I'll do is that I'll crush it. We used to do this a lot when we were kids. So it's very easy. You can do it at your home. Now I'll take a yellow card paper as well and do the same thing with this one too. So after making these tiny crushed balls, as you can see, I've made quite few of them. Now I'll start putting these on the dress of the doll. So first I'll put some glue and then I'll brush it out with my brushes and then I'll start applying it. You can use any colors of papers you want, guys, but this is the combination I'm going for, so I'll do that. And you can also use any kind of design to just make a beautiful dress. So first I'll complete this line with white color, then I'll just put these yellow all over the places. You can also use some tweezers if you want. It will help you a lot doing these kinds of work. So now let's go for the white again in the middle of the dress. Then let's put the yellow balls again on the top. So guys, as you can see, the dress is now completed. Now let's go for the belly. So these are some beautiful yellow dancing shoes. So once it's done, I'll just put these black card paper balls onto the hairs. So she is wearing a high bun, so I'll just put those. Then guys, I'll just repeat the same thing on the other side as well. So guys, now as you can see, these two sides are now completely and they look alike. So what you have to do is that I'll start putting the same colored balls over here on the sides as well, just so I can hide the cardboard, Then once I'm done with that, I'll put these gems on the belly, on the dress, and then these glitter foam sheet stripes onto the bracelets for the hands. And the necklace as well. This is the choker. Then on the bun as well. Then these two are some silver gems that I found. I'll put them on the dress. Now let's make the stand for this beautiful doll. I'll take two cardboards and just take them together, cover it with some white paper and then paint it black. Now on the side, I'll just take this golden metallic card paper sheet and I'll just stick it over there. Then I'll take some craft wire, make some hole on the legs. Then I'll insert the craft wire here. And then I'll just hot glue them together so that it can get dry. And now I'll just make the hole on the base as well and put the doll on top of it. So now as you can see, it's quite ready. This is how it looks, guys. It was just really easy. You can make this in few minutes and it is very beautiful for a home decor showpiece. You can also gift it to someone. They'll completely love it and admire it. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.